get job, eh? But I go dey chop now. I know they work, but I dey chop. My work for this village is for all the men in this villa to they bring their money, they come for me. Go. All the servants, all the married men. Also go there, ya buru Reverend Father. As far as say money they come out, guy. If I open, you go enter. Listen, Che. I say, na him be the next target. I heard he's very rich. Him and his friend. They say they are into or whatever. Well, how will I get him? Should I go to him directly? Oh no. Omachamamina. Njilia kwakwa. Mbana deme. He is the one that's supposed to come to me. Etozulume do tonanya. Ona wumpo umu ka na-eti. Ona wuntupu ụkwụ ụmụ nwoke a na-anwụ. Mụnwa bada na village a onye ọbụla mechala akaụntụ ewetala ya ego wee na-adị on wee na-agba boot. Ịghọtago? Nwekwe na onye ọzọ na-agba boot na village a. Awesome. Oncha. Manga kugia direct. Mba. Anga me esi na window. But if I walked up to him directly, it seems somehow. Oh my God. Anga me esi na window jekulia. We batazie ime, we meminazie ya.
Boy, the market I don't understand.
You know, we get all the old peppers. We need to buy new peppers. All this daily use.
You know, so one of all these things I know where this problem will come from. People now don't buy TV near here. Like saying that people don't buy TV. Look what they say.
Not even TV. As we do like this, you get people who carry phone. Where not they get TV for the phone.
I tell you.
Get CD for the phone. Get everything. So how they go come buy pepper again? Not be our fault.
We need to expand our business.
Do you have a Dangote sanitary pad?
Dangote sanitary pad?
Yeah.
My business is good.
Yeah, it's good. Just to expand it, extend it to the other side, you know.
Oh.
Is there any other thing you need?
No.
What about always?
I don't use them. Thank you.
Hello, excuse me. Sorry. Hello.
Sister.
No, let
me call you. Actually, are you from this village?
What kind of question is that?
You see? Waiting with the talk now you just talk. The way you look, even now as you open your mouth talk, you're not from this village.
Actually, we've seen a lot of girls in this village, ugly girls. We've never seen a beautiful girl like you, so we became confused and decided to ask you if you're from this village. Are you from this village?
Well, I just came back from United Kingdom, UK.
I don't tell you. You know you did for this place, I tell you say this girl just come back. You know they stay for this village.
Check whether na United didn't go. United.
I tell you, United. Actually, we are into business. We are business men. We would like to do business with you. Well, yes, to expand. We've been longing to do business with some people from other countries like United States, and now that you've mentioned UK, we would like to do business with you based on Elisa.
Even as you see us like this, we're into communication and publishing.
Yes, and as it is now, we would like to communicate with you and publish you. You understand?
Wow, that is great.
But your village, you said you're from this village. Like which side?
Leave them next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh.
No, this is how they look when they want to say in UK. If they want to go, they first and foremost look at you like this. They just look you, then they will not go. That's what she.
Attention. Thank you. Thank you.
I like it like that.
Mami, water.
You feel like saying me, I don't have small love for that your friend.
Huh? See, make I tell you, I go advise you for one better thing we go favor you now. Eh? And this advice, I dey give you this advice because of the way we take for this village. Now you be the Ofodara, where this village where everybody want leak. And I like you personally. You understand? You see this your love now where they talk say you love Nche. Carry this your love, go look for another man. Carry him, go give another man. Nche no they see love. In fact, Nche don't know what be love. I sure say as I talk to you now, somebody don't steal Nche heart. Come out. Nche heart there somewhere. So leave this love where they talk. Go love another man.
I know understand. So as I fine rich like this.
Nche no they see fine. You know they even see person shape. As you do like this now, Nche no they see you. You know they even see whether you fine or all those ones that they see make. You know the latest one. The latest one where they happen for town now be say our landlord Pikin. Yeah. Nothing with that girl never try to love Nche, make Nche for at least look her side. This girl don't use mouth. You only mouth now they use, but this girl don't use mouth. Use use that side. You know work. Even say the girl can't go begin they use money. They pump Nche. Money. That girl don't pump money making Nche for see and like him. But the girl no Nche they even look the girl side at all. You understand? Let alone you will be saying only mouth now you take the talk. So I go advise you, make you leave Nche. Go look for another person. In water. Again.
Hey, when they talk like this, now you know say sometimes something person carry for head and it plenty.
I see him. See your head plenty. See, as I come out like this now, carry your chaplet put for inside water.
I don't want that. Where they go there?
Where they go? Pray well. Make I go with
No, I feel follow you now. My see.
No need to follow me. Just relax yourself. Make I go.
I don't. I ain't got home. We go see. As I dey rich, I dey even package myself. They give her. They pour my hand. Check. President in which one? Yaradua. I go dey buy tickets. Go. But another girl they give her money. Money I hear it.
Pay your rent, you. Pay your rent. Pay your rent, Nanu. Pay your rent. The fear of putting notice is the beginning of wisdom. When you see the landlord with a rumple face, you lele. Lele. security personnel, SSS do good. Security personnel, executive comrade. Onyenche chendinche, chekari kondi ne chepayante. Onyenche. CIA.
Which kind of thing with this one? Eh? Why be say this man no go allow person make person rest? You no go allow person make person drink water, drop cup. Eh?
Waiting the first me say, now we be the only people, only tenant who don't owe for this one. Or even for this house. Come on. You see, if this one provoke me, if you provoke me like this, I go take first, come out here, go buy land, build my own house.
You know, yeah?
Two of us now.
You are no.
I trust you.
But we are no. We even talk about say common 3,000 naira owe the man. We never prepare. He came out, they talk to you, you buy land, you get a build house. See, make I tell you, the problem why they face now, the problem why they see now, waiting for my front, why they face now. How we could take enter inside this place now?
Waiting about you. Why no like you say you do the worry. Okay, to enter house now. Now your problem.
Yes, so now my problem with that one though.
Maybe the only thing where they worry you.
Yes.
Follow me.
Eh?
Come.
To where?
Say you there with me. Abi,
Come.
yeah, come.
To where?
If they think that they can stay outside, they can fool me. I must stay here till tomorrow. I can never go out from here. They must pay me.
Oga landlord, I beg you. They go come. I sure say if they get money, they go pay you. Take am easy. They will come your house, come pay you.
I mean, boss. That who come pay you say make you come talk to me. You see, what? See, I never come to you. If I ever come to you, you must suffer.
I know they owe for this house, but as you don't sit down here since morning, they wait for them. They block air where they reach us. When you go, they will come pay you. I be no be this.
So go hammer your mouth when you say they
landlord, you talk to. You know they fear.
I didn't hear the block breeze where they go for my own house.
No mind now.
Oga landlord, Ben, wetin Carlo dey talk na true? Because it's money where you dey here. We no even get money cook food carry give you chop. E better say make you go.
See this rat. So go hammer your mouth. You hear wetin I dey talk? So go hammer your mouth here. You see, who be my tenant? You see you? Ha! Now with notice, they wait for you.
See this nonsense man, one begin to embarrass person for where all these small girls dey. Because of ordinary 3,000 naira. One begin to embarrass person for all these small girls dey. Don't like fight this man. This man knows even federal government they owe. They owe even international. Some say we dey go and move to local. One man, one room. I say we dey owe the whole of this building. Traditional building.
And no be even say we dey go village. Just one man, one room.
Hey, I dey even dey look for 3 bedroom flat. Only me every minute, every second. Landlord dey so.
If they like make they stay till tomorrow, I dey here. So go.
You remember that that girl who say all of us see that day who dey for that place. Who did that place? Who would drink that day? Nancy now. That yellow girl will come that day.
Okay, no, what we tell say with the publication and the publishing.
That girl.
You know when they speak through nose.
Nah, she. You know, say the other day where I say make I go see when I go buy something, see something like that. Now the girl can't stop me. Come begin to talk plenty things. Say since after that day all of us meet. Say anytime when she sit down, are you she go think of? She dey chop, na you. She dey sleep, na you. Say everything. In fact, say as the thing they do on tenene tanana. Say she don't dey fall in love with you. Honestly, nobody say she dey fall in love with you. Say she don't dey die for you now. Now I look the girl, I tell her say this person wey say they die for, no dey even see woman. Uche no dey get woman time. Now I say they die for Uche. She come talk say as e be like this now. Say she no mind to use everything when she gets to prove to you say she like you. Now I tell her say okay, no problem now. Make I come try. You understand? Tell you, make I see what you go talk. If you go accept that.
Wait, for your mind, I should tell you that is a mind today. I be mind, I be heart. They do in the sleep, in the see me whenever in the job. Let me remember. You think for your mind, you think say me, Jay, go accept her.
I tell the girl, I tell her, say you know they get time for women. You know they even see woman, let alone. She say make I still try. I say make I come try now. Tell you, make I see what you go talk.
Even that first day, that the way we did there, you know, initially I wanted to succumb. On the second thought, I said, immediately I looked at her eyes, the lashes, the way there, and I go papa. As I look at her, and they see Mami Water. Honestly, as I look that face, that girl fine like Mami Water.
True talk.
That make me, they throw you back, they say, come, make we no go there, go. So she called the thought, say, she need me.
Again, a suspect.
I don't tell you. That fine, no be ordinary fine. Now she be the only person where God create. Now she be the only person where God say, oh yeah, go into the world. She fine like Mami Water. Take them from me. Okay, you yourself, why not manage her? You manage her.
I get a call, manager should be musician.
No, try her.
Try.
Use her.
And I don't want to talk. Try.
That day when I did with that girl self, my mind can't tell me say, make I throw you back. Come out. I see that girl, I see Jezebel. I see that girl, I see Samson. Remember what in Delilah?
That girl people Delilah for me.
If it be for this village, leave her.
But if you change your mind, tell me, Sha.
You say make we leave her now. You say if I change my mind, tell me. Are you a good friend? You do the laugh, oh.
You don't laughing matter. Is this an original laugh? This laugh na fake.
Take whether our food see reverse.
Which food? Which food?
You don't chop everything.
For night, I eat. No problem.
Now so we go there.
I there for night. I ain't hungry.
Now why you say they do like this? I they call it, you know, they greet to answer me.
No problem. Well, in fact, problem day. As you see us like this, you know, say the market will be good. My friends, what do you need?
I like your friends, but I don't try to use every way so I know to talk to it, but you know they like to look my side.
Very good to look your side. It depends on the side the way you use it.
No, I don't use the right, use the left side, use the front, use the back, even I use the center papa, still she know they good to look at it.
That means you get one side the way you never use. Make I tell you, not you will never take this our eyes, see where your papa did. No kind of insult where your papa never give us for that nonsense compound where they live, where they call house. You understand? The insult where they give human being, your papa don't pack am for trailer, give us. The one they give animal, your papa don't pack am full munkata, carry give us. Even the one they give rat, your papa don't set am for track, carry give us. Simply because we owe your papa small money. I come to ask myself, now we be the only tenant where they owe for this Nigeria. Even Nigeria himself, they owe. You understand?
That one's no good. That one's no good, you. Now, why my papa go to do that kind of things? Now, I must see the woman.
See, make I tell you. If I tell you how much we owe your papa, we make your papa they insult us like this. You will slap him.
God forbid bad thing. Allah will be there. Now, why I go slap my papa for waiting?
Because the money is small. Simply because they owe your papa common 3,000 naira. That make your papa they insult us and talk to us anyhow.
3,000.
Yes, so. 3,000.
3,000, last one.
Last one.
Now you dey owe my
3,000. Last one. 3,000. 3,000.
Okay, so if I give you the 3,000, say go like
you give me the 3,000. Nche go marry you.
Eh?
Sokolo. Nche go sepolo nala. Yes. 3,000 sepolo onala. Simple. 3,000 sokolo. Then Nche. Ola. 3,000.
You get the money when my father used to send me message. So I gave you out of
your papa money. Your papa money na shrine. Don't give us your papa money.
Make you no worry. Oh, do good. Huh? Say, Bill is my father. Don't worry, I know how to handle it. Make I decide it.
Oh, who is you? She's talking through. Oh, who is you?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make I confirmation it whether I see complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so you say me I be big yes. Give you 5,000. Make you give me say. I add extra 2,000 for
you didn't say this money now from your mind. Make I give him say.
Yes. I love to see very much. And I think to do anything for it.
I hope I'm the last one.
No, I'm the last one.
Yes. All these area boys.
So make you go to family. Okay, I'm about to take the money from my hand.
You tell him, I hope so you do the armed robber. Another armed robber. Take money from your papa.
So let me go back.
Where are the items that I asked you to go and buy?
Mommy, I'm talking hand robbers here. You're asking for the items that you asked me to go and buy. Well, the time I am going for the straight to the roundabout of the junction. So, as I was going like this, I now see some hand robbers for the road. So, one of them now say, hey, fine girl, come here. So, where are you goes? And now tell it that my father, she says to go and buy something for her. So she now ask me, say, where's the money? So me, I didn't want to tell it where the money dey. So she now put a gun for my head and say if I did not talk, she will shoot me. So I now tell it, say the money she dey inside my shoe.
You dey inside your shoe?
I tell it, say she dey for inside my shoe. So she now put her hand for my shoe and take the money. She take the money, she count 5,000 for the money and give me the remaining 2,000. So she now say I should be running home before she will shoot me.
Those armed robbers must be born again, oh. Honestly, they took 5,000 and gave you back 2,000.
Yes, mami.
They must be Christians.
It be like say their problems is only 5,000. That's why they took 5,000 and give me the balance 2,000.
Oh yeah, take this 2,000. Go and keep it inside the house. You hear? Keep it inside the house. Keep it inside it.
Mami, you have given me the money again. And other robbers will come and thief it you.
Inside my house. Armed robbers will go.
Where should I keep this one? Where should I hide it?
Give me food.
My brother. Shit, you sabi that my brother. Since the morning when we come out, they go our working place. On our way now we see landlord again. The daughter. She they call me. Nse. Out of verse, I just dey walk. And I do good come they call me say, come your baby they call you. I say I know. I want 1 month. Do you believe that since that morning till now, I never take my eyes see the good?
You don't call her for phone.
I don't even remember that. Even if I remember, I don't get credit.
Right.
I don't get credit. Even Flash know themselves.
So, one time you say you leave the 2 of them there come out.
I just leave them there, 2 of them come out.
Now you made mistake now. You know supposed to leave the 2 of them there come out now. Huh? Now you made mistake.
True. Huh. I know supposedly. Hey! Make you not be waiting my mind to tell me they happen now.
Now you fuck up.
Hey! Hey!
See, make I tell you, eh? Top money. As your face be like this now. If God bless you, give you money enter your hand. Top money, chop meat, drink beer. You understand? Especially people like you will get coupon face. People like you will get coupon face. You need to chop meat. Where you feel, all this place come out. You got that?
Too good.
Eh? Chop meat, yeah?
Pay your rent, you. Pay your rent. Pay your rent now. Pay your rent. Sure. The fear of what you notice is the beginning of wisdom. When you see the landlord with a rumble face, you.
He say you go hide and hide forever. You are giving me my money today, or else you pack out. Come, let's go. So go hammer your mouth. Come on, get out. It's an embarrassment. I said come. Okay. By the way, where is your second criminal?
Hey, too good. Where is there?
Nance?
Right now, I saw the family maltreating your friend. Nche.
Huh?
Nche now. Yes. He's beating. What? If you know what is good for you, you better from there they run, they come. Now.
No worry. I dey come that place now. Yeah? I dey come. See, make I tell you, this meat here is elementary. If I look for one, if I come back look for 1 meat, don't I go fire?
Security personnel, executive comrade. Onye nche chekarịkwa ndị na-echekwa ya nche. Onye nche CIA, FBI, American security, Mapolu na police. I know they find trouble, we know they find wahala. Only money na him where we no get. But man must chop, oh, man must work. No matter how we be, man must survive.
What? Come, it's either you give me this money or you go and pack out.
Am I the only person? Okay. Landlord,
imagine.
You won't keep us because of 3,000 naira.
Imagine.
Eh?
You are calling me landlord. So go hammer your mouth as you call me landlord.
See, make I tell you, I don't go call you landlord. What you gonna make me go call you landlord? Oh. Landlord, na your name. When your mama born you, they call you landlord. When your mama discharge you for hospital. They call a landlord. Why don't we call a landlord? We want to kill person because of 3,000 naira.
worry you. Oh, you are harassing me people. Oh, you are in my house and at the same time you are harassing me.
Back again?
Eh?
3,000. Come take your 3,000 naira, give her. Thunder go fire on her. It's all of her. If thunder will no get with small lightning, no fire on her. Come take your 3,000 naira. See your money, take your money. Look at you, you want to kill person. Take your money, come take your 3,000. Give us change.
Landlord, leave her for
Come on to 3,000, give us change. Check your waist. Or the quality time. Collect our change. Don't fire you. Give us our change now. Hey, give us change. Give us our change.
Give us our turn to hold you now.
Landlord.
Landlord, they go.
Because of 3,000 naira. I for say, man, give you 500.
Thank you. I like this one when you talk. If you say things hard, no ever give him 500 naira. Check your waist whether it's intact. Come on, hit you.
Consider you people are criminals.
Yes, you are criminals.
You are criminals.
All of them. All of them. Police come back. All of them. Police come back. When the police come back. When the police come back. When the police come back. Come down. So what is this one? Police come back. Don't worry, come. When I go just say the black evil for somebody. If thunder no fire, all of you now. Police come back. Come on. Thunder go fire somebody. Yes. Thunder. Go fire somebody. Call the person name. When the thunder don't go fire another person, will not be the person. Thunder go fire. Red and what is your black? Red and pink. Lady. Thank you. Thank you.
That's too much, yeah? My babe, enter house. I don't know why some people no go mind their business for this compound. Waiting they did after the do amibo for share and do good body.
Hey, see person where they talk. We did this compound they live peacefully until Nche and do good carry their wahala enter. You dey here they support the common house rent they no fit pay. Ha, they here they talk.
I'm not saying you know that. Because I hear when they talk say business no day. Okay, even if you know here say you know here when they talk am, you know say country no good too. Eh?
Hey, Mrs. Do Good, Minister of Information. Vendor na business, they don't dey change business for your eye. What's your business? I hear you well. You say change business. The one where you carry from your village, waka like how you go sit down here. Shebi you no get work to do.
Yeah, this one.
You no get work to do.
Okay. If you like say na me, two of una gather one insult for this compound, abi? No wahala. Una go hear am for this house. Una go hear am.
See you. Your mates don't marry finish. You there for this compound they do am a
let me tell her.
I hear you call mate. You get mate?
Hey.
You get future of marriage for your life, for your generation. I get future of marriage.
Answer.
They talk my mate don't marry. Now your mama mate don't marry. Marriage? You don't your generation?
If me and you they talk, no even try carry my mama.
Why you don't talk me? Can I want to pay you?
No try
your papa. Don't squeeze you.
Hey, Carlo, I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
Touch my head.
If me and you they do something, no even mention my mama. Put inside though.
Touch me for head.
Leave her. She dey find who go die for your hand. Leave her. No keep person.
Your mama.
You won't keep person. You know this girl won't reach you. You keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Leave her.
You touch my head. Touch my head.
Leave her. I will touch you. You. See there. You. She die yourself on road. Now you dey hold am. Die yourself on road. Die yourself on road. Na she be the next person.
Don't worry.
Una go still leave this house.
Okay, this
No, go.
nche ndị nche chekarịkwa ndị na-echekwa ya nche onye nche American security.
Oh, this one is Milo. This is 1 liter. This is the other one.
Okay, this one how much?
70.
Now one carton will they buy?
Okay, and that's what you need now. And Nigeria we do. Nigeria.
Okay, okay, you go sell at 400.
Oh, but that time of 1970.
You bring 1970?
Yes, sir.
No one remove money. What you concern us concern 1970? Now millennium we dey. How much last?
70%.
Okay, okay. You get big milk.
I do.
You get me? Wait, now Nigeria be na.
Nigeria, I get a whole Poland.
You get Nigeria, you get Poland.
Anyway, maybe we start from Nigeria.
Any liquid,
no problem. Nigeria, they're good though.
Don't say you can't go bring Cotonou for us.
No.
Go bring Cotonou.
No, I'm not going to bring Cotonou.
Because
this one is Nigeria. Now real Nigeria one.
how much do you sir?
Now 150, sir.
150. If Nigeria now 150, Nigeria milk now 150. What will they do for Obodo?
Okay, in terms of milk, Nigeria pass one when they fabulous.
You mean I'm? Come on, this thing 150. This one 750. Oga, you know what will happen? Yes, just keep up. We'll come back later. Yeah? We will come. You get Gesha?
I do.
How much?
Gesha na
250.
You get
okay, Oga. As if you say you ask boom boom na 250. Which kind house? Which fish there inside? Okay, no problem. No, we shark there now. How much? It's alright, no problem. We'll come back later.
A real sack and the fake sack.
Shark, yes. Shark and a shark. I know, shark and a shark. You don't get fake. Thank you.
Say una go come.
Yes.
Una go come.
Do good.
Oh, Dora.
Eh?
Welcome.
Thank you. This one, where only you there for here?
No, no, I just make us down for here, collect breeze. You know, say the weather too hot, so now I say make us down for here, take some more breeze.
Okay. When you say?
You say they come. You say they come.
Okay. Because now outside it comes from.
Oh, our house. Yeah, sorry. And the thing we say we've been we can go enter inside the market, see we could go price 1 or 2 things. You understand? A good person they know price of things, so that if you work on your budget, you know what you work.
And it's the market times come from.
Oh.
I'm going to buy provisions for you people.
You go to bought provisions. Or you go to bought provisions. It's all right there. Thank you. See banana. Leave her inside. You know, say this thing where you buy for us, these provisions we buy for us. And be wanting to go price for inside market. Honestly speaking, this is very important.
I'm buying all these provisions and the banana with the granite, so that say we know that I love it very much.
Okay. You see all this thing where you bought for us, live inside on your own. You don't need to worry yourself.
Help me to talk to him. Make me tell him say I love him very much, and the type of love where I get for him. Like, I fit to sell my papa house if I'm the money.
You never used to sell papa house. Never sell papa house. You see this thing where you buy now, even this couple they cry, they hear our voice. You don't say it's a better person. You understand? So you don't need to sell papa house again. Relax yourself. Live inside on your own. Sopolong. Just leave her.
These things, right? Very small things. I will even do more. Moki just help me to talk to him. Say I love him very much. I will do more. Make a surprising you.
Surprising.
My daily juice.
Okay, Bolong. If you change Bolong, the right. No, they bring this money. We talk the one way you don't do. They try to do another one on top of the one.
This money is small things.
It's small things. It's skin savings.
Yeah.
Second sin. make I give him the money to give him.
Yeah, give it to you.
It's alright. Dorothy, you see this money where you bring now, on top of the ones where you don't bring. If you check, no gree marry you, are they available?
Do good. Funny boys. Subon and say I want to marry.
Subon? Subon? Okay, Subon. Check it out, Subon. Check it out, Subon.
Let me to give it the money, okay?
I will give it the money.
Don't mention, eh?
It's okay.
Let me to talk to yourself. Talk to them.
Instead of your own, go sleep. Relax yourself. You don't need to bother yourself again about himself. See, make I tell you, if Nche no gree marry you, if Nche do nonsense and they marry you, come to me, are they available? Akwa Nche, okay, so bon. You see this song? Okay, so bro, go. Fantastic. God go bless you, only God. I ain't go bless you for all these small good things what you do. Nse, you get so bon. Me choya. You get so bon.
No put again. You don't do now. I want to pour on them finish. If like say you put the whole sugar.
I don't even plan to put more.
He good. If that sugar finish, you go
all these people for this compound, we no go make up. Now, we never make up.
Na thunder. Go fire them.
Put which one? No, don't put this one. No. You know, say this one the make person sleep. As we be like bonga fish like this, we need something to say we eat. Cook for the fat.
Okay, so Tigema we grow fat.
Yes.
In that case, we need to buy 1 cup of
fertilizer. Don't you drink that one? No. I will go bring fertilizer. This is which cup you take more the other.
Now thunder go fire those people. When you say we don't go make up.
The thunder, don't be small picking thunder. Now grandpapa thunder. Don't be say we carry picking. In fact, the thunder will carry 2 plates.
Well, now thunder go fire anybody where it throws today here.
Yes.
Apart from our friends, thunder fire them.
Amen.
Community thunder.
Yes, we get 3 plates like landlord.
Fire them.
Amen.
But not be for our friends.
No. Landlord. I will say landlord there for this place and make it take the eye see. Well then.
Hey, Hey, I got to do. And I'm there.
Why take. Take up.
Madam.
We don't turn
Hey.
Take your own shot. Take up. Settle your conscience.
Hey. Madam,
turn up.
Hey, enjoyment.
The enjoyment today will not come to suffer. After the reggae, play the blues. We even the plan to put more. What you got? You carry plate, they can't drink tea. You don't say with the share rice. See, make I tell you. Carry this plate, go cook up. When we cook our rice finish, then you carry this plate, go collect the rice. Then you use this plate, you can't do tea.
Put my own tea here.
Obi, see cup here.
Okay, turn away at all. You want to listen to fight?
Take cup.
Come take cup.
Carry it here, carry him. See biscuit. Carry biscuit. Now don't let go fire anybody when they spot today here.
Who say we not gonna make up for this? We never make up.
You don't make up.
Huh?
Hey, money the talk.
Thank you. Money the talk now.
Waiting the sound.
Yes, I'm
So, Najet the sound. Okay, you know.
That's what we stop. She say well done. That means we will do well. That's why she say well done. Huh? Like that.
Anybody wearing eyes, they fall. If you fall, enter here.
Anybody wearing longer throat, waka. Won't enter this place. If I don't chop them, I'll come now.
Some people say just the jealous because you know they look at them.
Some people jealous us. Jealousy worry themselves. Some people jealous us. They say we
be jump.
They say people
they drink tea. See them, they drink the throw.
Come, Mona, tell landlord if you come. What you will chop?
Yeah? Yes. When they pass the information,
Never touch banana. You confused?
You know, in this way they talk, to change business, you know, they like to buy your green. Or maybe you decide your mind now, say make you buy your packer tomorrow. Ifugi ha na-ekwu. Ana m ekwu Igbo ogiri, ana m ekwu ogiri na-ekwu okwu Igbo. Ọkwa na ihe arụ dịka na agbara ọsọ. Igbo ogiri nke a na-egbutu n'enu nkwụ. Ogiri bụ that rotten something where we take the cook ofe akwụ.
The same thing ni gbegiri long pe lọ́dọ̀ tiwa.
Hey, aka m ekwu nke okwu ya sịkwa na ikpere ya dara tiwa. Kekwe ihe wetakwara igwe tiwa. Okay, whether mo ikpere tiwara tiwa or na Igbo ogiri or ogiri the one wey I know. Wetin I dey talk be say if you wan change business, you know there like something wey go take empty-handed go change. You must look for a huge amount of money. Some short money, very tremendous, high. You know, so that you think of diverting or think of switching over or amending the two. And which like they talk?
This amount of money.
Very big one, big amount of money. Some sum of money.
So now how much be this money?
You know, some people like somebody like me. When I said we need a huge, very big money. You know, big money like if I feel something like 5,000, 10,000, or even 15.
Hey,
okay.
This one say you are very funny. So it's 5,000 and 10,000 seeking change. Power money that you are calling big money.
Don't be chicken. If they talk of 5,000 naira, how you take the chicken change? 5,000 if you buy chicken 5 or chicken 4. 1,200. And they talk of depending on the business. If you give me 5 now, it becomes big money. To another person, you go be small money. To me, it will big money.
You're not to get any problems. I want to beg you for something.
Shame you dey here now where I talk say for money no go area. If na yesterday now we talk say you need money, I fit give you like 100 naira.
No be money I want to beg you. I just want make you do something for me.
If no be money talk now talk. Check the rest.
Just give me small money.
Hey! Adeko! Na my boy they call me Adeko.
Security personnel, SSS, security personnel, executive comrade. CIA, FBI, American security, Mapoluna police, SSS.
No sir.
Don't fall my father for the ground, yo. Make you buy something for me when you came back, yo. Okay. Oh, that ball.
See the kind of way you open your mouth to talk. Eh? You don't know say to marry. You say to marry easy. To marry no be a day job. You don't understand? Before person go sit down and plan say you want marry, you go don't hold money for hand. It's an ordinary hand they take the marriage.
No, not nice. Or even machine that doma. And then they use marry.
So you know say they really use see make I tell you, eh? Even if na knife you want take marry, that knife will be very sharp knife because not be ordinary no be nonsense knife they take do that kind of marriage. You know go possible. Wetin I mean be say na who get money na him dey marry. Yes.
Me say you na I no get money.
You like say I get money, this is my condition go there like this. I go live for this kind of place. I know they go live.
As if you say you no get money. I marry me now. I get money.
You say? Let me marry you.
Yes.
Me marry you. You know the look face?
What did they do?
Eh? Okay, make people say I don't make up my mind to marry you. If I marry you now, which you gonna call me? Daddy, Abi, thank you. What in me? I'm gonna call you.
If you call me,
You see, this way you talk now. If I marry you, they call me Papa. You dey right. If I dey call you baby, pikin, I dey right. Because if person see me and you, they walk out for road. they go believe saying I be born you. You open your mouth say make a marry.
Oga do good abeg. No put insult inside this matter now.
I go look me finish with this all this size.
So one time saw this marriage, they no dey do baby daddy.
They do baby.
Hey, wow.
Nje.
Marriage.
Wetin you call me now?
Nje.
No, small time I go call me chinch. Come at the road, they hear on a voice, we on the laugh.
We just discuss with the plan.
No be best way chop go laugh.
It's
No be best way chop go laugh.
I'll say that better thing. Come.
We don't come. I hope no problem.
Yeah, no.
Say no, this joke no be now. I take serious.
No fit that small joke na there the joke na to make am waka like this dey go. Just say no say am outside.
Wait oh, it is say me I wan even marry am.
So you get choice.
Hey!
You get choice.
Babe, leave am for this matter. Beggar like me get choice.
Imagine.
Yeah, I no fit marry am now.
Hey!
I no get less.
So you dey here just dey talk since you no fit marry
Na
am.
joke oh, I no fit marry am. Ha, somebody like him. I no fit oh. Men hungry wire me die for house. I go dey behave like that sef. Yeah.
You no vex.
If he be vex
no be vex. They get important thing wey go make them rush like that.
Make it be oh.
Security personnel, SSS, do good. Security personnel, executive comrade.
We don't know what that is. You just come for us, carry me from us. I don't even know where they go.
I say follow me.
See, make I tell you, if the money ritual you want to take me, go do. You know, go work for you. I tell you.
Man must chop, man must work. No matter how we be, man must survive. There is no quagmire. We know they look for trouble. When trouble come, I go run away. We go run away.
The money is there, so I am just using close to cover so that Amuraba will not attack you. Oh, hey, don't go yet. This money is my father money. Make sure you return this before 8 months. You 5. I will come back. Are you sure?
Very 5 months.
Do good. Do good. That is my father's money. Oh.
I don't defend you, I don't tire. Now my papa won't give my hand to another man. You don't even come to see him for house with drinks. Though I refuse.
Now this thing where you talk now, say you refuse. Now you can't give me encouragement. Because I don't tell you, say just little business where I want, I just the target up. Once the business click, I'll come see your people.
Anything where you do am fast. I don't tire to wait.
Toto, I tell you like this before.
No.
What I want to tell you now be say anyhow where you go take, refuse your people, or if you refuse them marrying you to another man, even if not to walk away, or if they hear them talk the thing, you go inside, lock yourself inside.
No, I don't try for you now. Just be fast and come now. They wait for you.
No be you again. Not Toto now.
I'm gonna give you something. I'm gonna give you something for this man.
Okay, now.
Susie babe.
That's my name.
This one where the dress they come out. I hope say you come back today.
Babe, trust me now. And they show no. They show back no.
No, say I'm sorry they talk.
What can they even buy for you, sir?
No, my favorite.
I will do that for you now. You say the movie don't land. No, baby.
I like you. No, you be a
no, I'm just
So,
Hey! Oh.
Babe.
Huh?
This your laugh, I don't understand.
I wait till you're on. No one can laugh again.
I don't just understand that.
Ami boy.
Hey, careful.
Ami boy.
Hey. Don't go.
No, she never go. She there inside fridge or freezer.
Careful. Wait, Papa no catch you. Open money. Okay, only open money.
If for him papa, I go tell him make him leave in case. You see anything concerning Ofeman and him daughter and him papa, I close chapter. I won't tell you something.
Waiting with that.
Wait, I go tell you now. Now my plan, na help. You get something I want to make you do for me. But time never ready.
I bet this me now, nah. Not me this though.
Do that now. I'm a boy.
I hope say wetin I dey see no be wetin dey my mind because e get something wey I dey think, I dey reason am. I also know the case.
I know the thing because what you see now, na fake. Real one, they come. I go shock on her.
I trust you now.
Do something for me.
I trust you.
I'm a boy.
Among us now, who be Amibo? Now you.
Babe,
don't turn to
I'm dey keep secret now. I don't understand you and
what you concern na my bros. Na my
happen.
Well, I get drinking water.
Okay.
Yes. That day.
Use that black.
That day I no go even dey house. You know my way. I dey comot too. Do my hair fast.
No dey ever fetch water. Those your babes. You no fit tell them say make they come fetch water.
Babe, come back. Make I dey go.
This one where you what do you carry?
Nah, just go market. Nana, they come back. No. Where you from and where you they go?
You know that business. At times, if you sell and so on there like this, if people know they pass again, you have to keep them somewhere. Go cool your head.
Yeah.
Yes, so person no go die say in the hustle.
Nah, so you do now.
Now why I see you now, you know, it gets something with me the plan and say if I get the chance, maybe in the evening, two of us go sit by the side. So I go tell you waiting on the plan because I go need your help.
Now waiting be that now, tell me.
No be something where I go call you, I come the publicified. No be public something. Now though I don't tell Silva that way. But you know if I keep am in the evening, I don't know where my leg fit carry me go this evening. So now why I see you, I need to go balance. You got that? No just bother your head. Now just help, simple help. If you don't help me direct, if you help my second person way related to me for the same matter.
Yo, me I do. I feel grand. Anytime you want, may you come my day.
Okay now. Sure, you go cook, Abi.
Of course, I go cook. I
trust you.
Carol.
I
Caroline.
dey house.
You see, honestly speaking, it confuse me the more. I tell you.
What did they confuse you inside the good
What you know they confuse me for inside this place? You know how long we don't talk about this business. This one and 5 good moves. We don't talk about this business where you get from mind. Talk am out, you know we talk am out. I don't want to make you go forget what the right tell us. Waiting remain now only 3 months. You go pay me very, very well. Not even well, very, 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 very well. If we don't use this money to business, honestly.
Waiting the best me say business with me carry for mind. No be something of much. No requires much. Just for 8 hours, 2 days. Relax.
This business no be most business. I just 48 hours business. Na jackpot.
Waiting come bring jackpot enter into this man.
Because I don't want to go begin a hear story for this money. Or make at the end of the day now, Dorothy call and say, "Mo, give back our money." Then you will not use the money to do any business.
Now make you the call and jackpot. Let me tell you, since where you sabi me as in jail, you never see me where I go play gambling, or you don't know me as a gambler. Relax. I don't know even why people they call you do good. Yet you know they do any good to humanity. Just they worry like like women. Relax. If I tell you relax, then sleep.
The one wey we dey face, we never even solve our problem. We never use the money wey they give us to do business. You want bring another business, put inside this business again.
Get something wey need the package. I won't give you as a price. But as the case there like this, I go need your help. If I be friend now, you go be my best friend. If I be man now, you go be my best man.
And they even dey talk about the one wey we say wey dey swim. They bring another one. It's alright. No be here now I dey. Now I now go take dey watch you until you make as if this
madam.
No.
Don't worry. Sorry. Don't worry. Good morning.
See, make I tell you, if you don't buy something, come for us.
You don't buy something, come here today.
The other time you don't come out, you don't buy something. If you don't buy something, come. What I go fire?
They take on the fire, or they go work. One of the days, what you they do? They here, they wait. Make I give you the business. Go bring that water, make drink tea.
That's me, the other man.
Me, I'm confused. I'm confused very, very well. You.
Me self, I did confusion as you did before. As the confusion, as I confusion before. Until I can't go call you check. Begin the action and say, what be the problem? What you carry this? This? You can't begin to tell me say business when you get for mine. Say the business, if the business come now 48 hours, everything go there okay. And that time in my mind, come begin to cool down.
48 hours. Yeah, now which kind of business with that?
Nah, jackpot. No, nah, business. Nah, business. Nah, business. You say if the business click, all of us now we begin to chop like.
Well, me, I worry you. I worry very, very well you because my father will soon come back you. Say, you know, say that my father money, may I carry to give you and say, no gonna take to do business.
No be honor. Where you carry give check. No be, I no follow.
Okay. Now the money I carry to give him say make it take to do business. But up till now, she never give me anything for inside the money.
I go tell it. Bring her.
Go tell it you. My father will soon return and she get hot temper. My father she gets hot temper very well you. I don't tire. Make her dey go ask. Tell him say if my father come, it go be problems yo.
I go tell her.
Make her dey go like this. Oh, tell it you. Tell it you because my father she gets hot temper yo.
I go tell it. Don't worry yourself, yeah? Okay. I go tell it. Relax yourself. See, no tell it oh, no tell it. If your papa come, no tell it. This boy, I don't ask this boy. I don't sit and down. What be the thing this business we dey talk about? This money, this guy can't. Hey! Okay.
No be alright with that.
Yes, now alright.
And then today they talk happy.
Before you know me as deaf and dumb. Why I no go talk?
What did they tell him?
What did I tell him? Yes. The truth.
Which is
the truth?
The truth, which is the truth. Which is waiting.
He dey ask me which is the truth. You don't know the truth? I don't dey warn you. I don't dey tell you say this money wey this guy give us. Do this plan. You know green. He dey tell me say promise. I don't tell you say make you. Wetin be the thing when we say you wan carry this money do? He dey tell me say you get.
The months don't finish. No, wetin I dey promise you say just.
Leave promise for this talk. Leave promise aside. Which one be promise?
Which one be make I keep the promise?
You don't know how many months we done dey promise.
The month don't finish. No, the month when they give me, don't finish.
How many months remain?
How many remain?
I dey tell you.
Now how many? I
tell you.
Wait, throw. You throw to me now. They throw them back.
Leave promise. So.
How many? Forget
promise.
No, forget. Keep promise aside. Keep them aside.
Leave promise.
And they talk you, they go.
I dey tell you.
You must tell me what you tell her.
Huh?
You must tell me how much don't finish.
Give my brother baby, or honestly I go kill him. About the what thing? If you want to see, I leave you for 8 months, go travel. Now you come carry me last I come back. If this way they want to come, make it come. Nothing go make me I don't go kill the same today. Why you come back to go? Where are you? Today this book, today I was kill the same. Come on, follow me. Back here. My slap me. You think you can hide? And hide forever. Now, fix your date.
I don't know which one you say. You just enter here, they say hide forever, hide forever. Finally, you can't end and say make I fix a date. Say you don't threaten us. Pay. House rent, you don't pay. So which date again you won't make I fix?
You get the guts to ask a stupid question. When you were pregnant my daughter, did you ask any question? Now, you must marry her.
No, Lord, the little way I know you say marriage don't be by force. It's by willingly. Willingly. You don't ask myself, you don't ask me whether Mami do am.
Yes? You say you are denying me in the public.
I'm not gonna need Munsi. Okay, when you are my name is Nche, not Nse.
You are denying me now. It's me Dodo. It's me that he used to call him Dodo. That you are talking that you are not know if you are the one that impregnating me. And say this thing you are done is not good, yo. How can you be denying me in the presence of in the whole public of my father?
Will you shut up? I traveled this 8 months. Coming back, you are pregnant of 5 months. And you are telling me this one. Listen, my friend, you must marry her. I said you must marry her.
But if you don't enter like this, because I know say people they beg, come marry my daughter. Your own nana by force. You don't kill me now. Get something.
You said I don't go do what? You want me to kill you? Honestly, I go you so go kill you.
Sorry, I know me now, landlord. I know me now. I just say make I wash my mouth. I know me now. Take it easy. Thank you. Benny.
Will you get out from here?
Bami, Emma, that long way, you don't pow, and you don't pack on you. It's like that, it's lying you.
Shut up! You have the matter to talk. I traveled this 8 months. Coming back, you are 5 months pregnant. And you are here talking. Along. If I don't see you for my house this evening, I must kill you.
I'm not the person who me mouth, but my own mother.
Along, if I don't see you in my house tomorrow, this evening, if I don't see you in my house this evening, if I don't kill you, if I didn't kill you, come. You see you.
Dodo, tell your papa in front of me.
Dodo, okay. Give me a hand.
You know, see, I just they respect that man because he faced and his daughter too ugly. They just here, they intimidate me. I'm not even anything about that pregnancy. Not like he's here and you know, meet. How me go meet that thing?
You know the physical.
I see him now because this man don't know whether I carry chance. I just accept. Yeah, a man will be no. Yeah, be put begging.
And I see a Benny. Now go back. Come where all Benny when you get broom ever put him back. Now Benny, I ain't go carry me from here. Bring me to your house. Which can happen? Leave happen on your phone. What's me, man? What you know? I don't go come out again. Nimuna come out.
Action. See what I tell you. If you blow Joro for this place, you want about Joro. Yeah, you go for this place.
You don't check newspaper. The one we will say yesterday, as in whether Nabanga and I carry the story and
which is that one. Omega will win first. This was I don't win.
Hey! Honestly, if I get this man, oh, I will kill him. If I ever meet this man, if I meet this man, come. Where is he? Do good.
Lalo.
Where is your friend? Okay.
Dorothy, what do you eat like this?
Huh? Okay, they talk to small girl like you. Okay, they talk.
What do you eat where your belly can't come out?
No. Now your friend, give up. Wait till he chop.
Which kind of food will my friend will give you when you go chop? Today you chop, your belly come eat.
Okay, they talk.
Which one be you going to take no?
Do good, do.
Landlord.
He is responsible for her pregnancy.
Dora, you pregnancy?
It is Nse that give me pregnancy.
Nse give you pregnancy? She said na Nse, and you they ask me of Nche. She said na Nse, na you give her pregnancy.
Nse and Nse, it's not the same thing.
Do good. Where is Nche, your friendie?
Oh, my friendie. My friendie. Then that time, we come to play. Then my friendie, okay. Now, he said, Bele, they do am. So now,
do good.
Landlord.
If I ever come here again.
Okay, landlord, see, make I tell you, this is not the problem. Relax yourself, and a good thing ain't happen. If Nche come back, I go tell him, me and I go follow, come see you. He go pay. You understand? And Nche go come, he go pay.
If I ever come here again, and I did not see him, along, I will kill anybody that I see here.
Not anybody where you see you go kill. Now person who is responsible for the thing. Now you go kill. How you go kill person when you don't do anything? You don't talk to
I said I must to kill somebody if I come here.
You don't talk say na Nche na irresponsible. You're not supposed to kill somebody. Now if Nche come, you kill Nche. Now irresponsible.
Come. You will see me.
For where? TV or where? Where I go see you? Hey! This boy I'm not talking about. Nse. 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 Nche. Nche. Don't give person belly. Nse, don't give person belly. That's why they share belly. You know que c'est à fond. Eh, Nse. Don't fire you, don't fire you.
You are an idiot.
Honestly, the way the man did shout, like say the man see you for this place, your head for don't leave your neck.
You know where they? I don't run to go for money. Don't fire you. Honestly.
No.
You sure?
No. Don't put tension for my body. Thunder will fire your father. Don't put tension for my body. Thunder fire. Wait, how you take give that girl?
Now that girl no be able. It take me almost 4 hours.
No, which I never even open the gate. You open the gate. It takes me back. Yeah, like I like this. Yeah, I want to. I want to go and melody. Okay.
I tell you, no more money. No one. Oh, money. No one.
notice is the beginning of wisdom.
Do good. Do good. What thing happened? Where did you go?
Yeah? I chop him.
Do good. What thing happened to this food?
I said I chop him.
See the way he just take acceptance. I chop him.
What made they cook the food? Not be for person to chop him.
Do good. When we cook this food, I am very very sure say this food. As we just chop and small. As they come out, it remains like half.
So now you won't begin to blame me as I chop the food. Now I'm supposed to blame. I've been at the hungry me. Now I go to blame. Because I said that hungry comes slowly, I go chop slowly. The hungry come fast, I chop and fast.
No wonder the food will finish. You see small spoon, you know carry them chop. Like this one will take chop.
Who tells you I see small spoon? Last time I see small spoon, I for no use small spoon. I see. Now because I don't see small spoon, I take this one. And besides, the way the hungry take come, small spoon no go fit supper.
Okay, I see the chop am. What do you think say me Nche go eat?
I see what you go do now. I see this one don't finish. Tomorrow we'll cook another rice. You chop. You understand?
Tomorrow? Which one will me Nche go eat tonight? What I go eat?
So now because of rice now you want begin to cry? Eh? Common food.
No be common food. Food way. Two of us go chop tonight.
I know your friend. If I chop rice, na bad thing. You gonna cry this now. Neighbors go here say they cry because of food. They will begin to call it.
That's me. As if say, oh hungry, no who be big boy and who be small boy. Which food are you?
If they cry this cry now, this people here say they cry. Now shame to you. If you close your mouth, tomorrow morning we'll just cook rice. Okay, see what will happen. Make we cook rice tomorrow, make you chop all the whole rice.
I go wait tomorrow. Okay, wait tomorrow. As I day here hungry, don't they want me? He say,
I go start my own cry you. I know like that.
Okay. You no good. You no good. I eat rice.
On my wedding day, I do. Baby say I do. Obama go wear suit, reception na White House. Jump up go wear me, George Bush present. Dangote na chairman, executive ceremony. Baby, how about me and you, boy? On my wedding day, I do. Baby say I do. Baby say I do. Obama go wear suit, reception na White House. Poku jump out go wear the meat, George Bush present. Dangote na chairman, executive ceremony. Baby, how about me on my wedding day, I do. Baby say I do. Obama go wear suit, reception na White House. Poku jump out go wear the meat, George Bush present. Dangote na chairman, executive ceremony. Baby,
tell father. Wait father. It's okay the house. Why man? I know say Reverend Father tell us say time. Now we don't go come. I ain't call us for phone. I ain't call us for phone.
15 minutes. We don't run.
Okay, that's why I please,
I doesn't happen.
No. You wife there for road now, she will come.
I doesn't have the power.
My wife dey road.
Okay, any constable.
Any man servant.
Any man go fit with us. What did them? Nobody.
My wife.
You don't do anything. No constable. Man servant. We go fit help.
Who with us?
Next option. Go to look for another alternative.
Who with us?
Stand up.
Yeah. I'm confused. You know what? My wife is not the road now.
Leave him. Go meet him.
My wedding.
If I get power now for wedding, but power no day. He can't get on me.
I do.
No power to wed you for wed you now. Not the road. Come. Make we choose where to go now. We go in now. Where we go now? Another church. Go in. Even if court. No court.
Reception na White House. Boku jump out the wedding, the Bushi present. And go dinner chairman. The executive ceremony. Baby, on my wedding day, oh. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Obama go wear suit. Reception na White House. Boku jump out go wedding me. The Bushi present. And go dinner chairman. Executive ceremony, baby, how about me and you going? On my wedding day, oh. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Baby, say I do. On my wedding day, oh. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Obama go wear suit. Reception na White House. Boku jump out go wedding me. George Bush present. And go dinner chairman. Executive ceremony. Baby, how about me and you going? On my wedding day, oh. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Baby, say I do. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Obama go wear suit. Reception na White House. Boku jump out go wedding me. George Bush present. And go dinner chairman. Executive ceremony, baby, how about me and you going? On my wedding day, oh. On my wedding day, oh. I do. Baby, say I do. Baby, say I do.
You do it.
Executive ceremony, baby, how about me? CIA, FBI, American security, Mopoli now police. I know they find the rubber.
What do you do?
I
What do you do? You do what? What do you do? Since when I come to this place, now I just here. What do you do? You do what? Which one be you do? You do what? Come. Make you not be say don't go enter society. If na my head you want collect, go do this so money, you know go work for you. I dey tell you. You do what? Huh? You thought you do. Stop thoughting. I thought it's like you do good. You do good. Where you did? No even know where you did. Okwara. Madness. Which? Ha! Conclusion. Which priest? Which reverend?
No good.
What is wrong? Landlord, I should say no well. Landlord, I'm the man. I need to take him here and go psychiatric now.
Damn. I only came for my 2 months rent. You people are owing me.
Okay, landlord, make we enter inside the house. Make we give you a seat. Make you sit down. I will go dodge. You go from there. See, I'm fine.
I don't need your chair. I don't want to sit down. Listen. If you are going to psychiatric, when you well, you bring my money. 2 months rent. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? I am going. I finish.
Okay, landlord. I'm not. Okay, landlord. Are you from Ebusigo local government? You go inside. What is this? Now madness. What is madness? Now madness. What are you? That's why you go put me for inside psychiatric. Yes. So you go carry me go where they because this year I do. I don't know what you do. Allow me make I sleep. So now like this, you go just carry me go give man. See, make I tell you. You go explain to psychiatric what do you mean by you do. Make I complete my sleep now. I'm not a man. You're mad. I'm not a great look at you. You go explain to them what you do. See, make I tell you respect yourself. I'm not a man. I'm not sleep. I'm not going to sleep. What do you mean? I'm not going to sleep.
I I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Baby say I do, 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 I do. Obama go wear suit, reception na White House. Pope John Paul go wedding me, George Bush present. Dangote na chairman, executive ceremony. Baby, how about me and you going? On my wedding day, oh,